in today's video, I'll show you how to record 8K Dolby Vision video on Motorola Razr Fold. Let's get to the camera app first, and now let's get to video. Then you can record in the highest quality you can record in is a Dolby Vision video enabled with 8K at 30 FPS. 8K is basically the quality, and the Dolby Vision is responsible for settings of the image to make it more colorful and stuff like that, and more like lively. And then you could start recording a video with the start button. You could also, if you wanted to make the video a bit smoother, you could do 4K at 60 FPS. And for me, that's totally okay. 8K is a bit of an overkill for most people because, well, the TVs that run 8K are very rare, and other devices don't run 8K at all. So yeah, feel free to choose whichever one you like. Remember that 8K will take more storage on your device than 4K would, or 1080p, which is the lowest possible quality in the app, in the camera app. And it just is more efficient when it comes to storage. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.